on. Ooh, what's this? Kaya makahuli dyan ha. Field test pass. Giant ano, jumbo na malit. Fun mga ka-share while swimming in the beach. A good lure. There you go, and then a hook. What's up YouTube? Fisherman again. Look at the rainbow mga ka-share. It's looking good. Try to like back here in Retidian. Pakita ko lang yung setup ko real quick. We're gonna be using light tackle today. As you can see, it's been a while since I used this Kuma. Very light, and our 6-foot rod, and then we'll be using lures today. All right, let's try this. So it's been a while since I used light tackle, so I don't know if this gonna work in there, but that's the goal. Field test again with this light tackle. Beautiful beach. We're gonna be fishing with JMC today. JMC fishing. So that's our fishing buddy over here at Retidian. So I only bring one rod today. If I break this one, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna enjoy the view. Might as well, you know. Because I didn't bring extra today. The plan today is just field testing this if I can catch something. All right. Because it's been on my storage for a while, and then I didn't try this. All right, we'll see if we can catch something today. What's this? Ooh, grouper. Good size one. There you go. Honeycomb grouper mga ka-share. Yeah. First catch of the day. There you go. Field test pass. Alright. Rock and roll. Field test pass. Fish on. Another fish on mga ka-share. Ooh, what's this? Triple tail wrasse. Yeah. Yeah, triple tail wrasse. Yeah, look at that mga ka-share. I got the triple tail. Ooh, good size. Hopefully I catch that one in the video. First time. Luck. Triple tail wrasse. Yeah. Let's go. So first time po tayo makahuli dyan ha. Ayan o, hook na hook siya. Let's get this one situated first. Alright, we got so far we got 2 good sized fish. Not too big, but pan size fish. That's the goal for today. Right? Now we have our dinner. Or tomorrow we're planning to do barbecue over here with the family. Maybe we can bring that. for the barbecue. All right, let's get it on. If you are wondering where I'm going, mga ka-share, so so that's the resort over here, the Pigeon Point. I'll be passing that one and I'm going to that place. One of the viewers told me there's a whatever channel over there, or a bay, something like that. Thank you for letting me know. So we're going to that end over there. JMC is behind me. He'll be following us. So there we are. That's where we're going. So this setup is already got two good sized fish that I want to keep. So there you go, mga ka-share. Good test pass. Alright, see you on that spot. Rock and roll. Emperor fish. Come on. There's more. Come on, there's more. There's a big trevally that I see. It's gone. Why? Why? There's a big blue pin. There's a big blue pin. Where art thou? It's gone. Anyway, got another one. Here you go, mga ka-share. Emperor fish. Look at that, mga ka-share. Trumpet fish. Do we keep this? It's a big one. Jesus. Oh shit. Try po natin to, mga ka-share. Nawala ko yung isa, sumabit sa coral, di ko alam kung saan. So I don't know where it went, but anyhow, let's try this. Let's try another one. Sumusunod. May sumunod. Followers, so agisa mo bro. Baka nandiyan pa. Yun, balik tayo sa old rig natin mga ka-sir. Ayan, naputol yung dalawa natin. We lost 2 lures already, so gonna try casting this, see if we can catch trevally. Alright, rock and roll. Si JMC may nahuli na rin. Dami palang resort dito eh. Malaki yan ah. Makakawala pa. Meron? So, half-time break po muna tayo mga ka-sir. Pagod ako. So, yeah. See if we gotta start heading back all the way over there. We're at the tip already. We're on some kind of resort, but I don't know what it is. If I can, not sure if I'm going over there because I didn't catch anything yet. It's better over there on the beginning where we catch like 4 types of fish. We unlock one fish, the triple tail rush. That's the first time catching that one. So, and also we caught a trumpet fish, which we're gonna be using for bait in the later days. Anyhow, right, enjoy watching, keep on watching please. Alright, let's go. Ayan, pabalik na tayo mga ka-sir. See if we can get something on the way back. Balik tayo sa lure mga ka-sir. Try natin yan. The third one. Hopefully I'm not gonna lose this one. I already lost my two lures, but the other one I already have 4 bites. That sucks because I lost the one that I know it's working. The other one I lost it because my FG snapped. And this is the last one. We'll see if this one work. If this doesn't work, that's it. Hopefully it does. Field test this one. Oh, work. Baby trevally. Oh, baby. It works. Honeycomb grouper. I'm not gonna keep this one. Too small. Just gonna release it. Ouch! Dang it. Release. So magbabanak na lang kami mga kasir. Wala nang kumagat eh. Ayan na si DMC Fishing. Ayan. Damihan mo huli bro. Damihan mo huli. Alright, let's see. Baka may kumagat. Oh, hello. Ay mga kasyal, oh, pain natin bread. Come on, banak. Fish on. What's this? What are you, banak? Something on. Uy, uy. Canopy. Canopy mga kasir. Oh, good size. Unexpected catch again. Oh, malaki yan. Sa tinapay na huli mga kasir. Huh? Sa bread. Good catch. Giant ano, jumbo na mallet. Ayan oh. Pang ano. So that's it mga kasir. We're going home. While swimming in the beach, a good lure. There you go, and then a hook. Still pretty brand new. That's a golden find. Nice.
Nangita siya ang food.